let's dive into it. All right, and with this kit, I like to really cut the highs. And we might even mono it. Yeah, let's mono. That way we can just bring that open hat to the center lane. Very nice. Okay. So now, we can go find something to chop. See, like, we could grab something like this, and instead of chopping it into slices, just go. Okay, that's basically what it's gonna be, right? Now let's make it sound immaculate. Well, what's kind of cool about this is this is gonna be a little bit uneven in terms of like the structure of the bars. But you know, I have faith in the rappers, man. I have faith in the rappers that they can write a structure that's not 16 bars. They can go on the fly and do something cool with a 12-bar loop. I don't know, am I putting too much faith in the rappers? You guys tell me. And I don't quite mind if it doesn't like quite line up with like the ending of the drums. Like that's fine, dude. Alright, we gotta do something though about like volume wise, you know, the higher up we go, the louder and more intense it is. The lower we go, the quieter and more muted it sounds. We're gonna try to normalize it a little bit. Also, let's do a little bit of compression first. It's already sounding pretty compressed, you know, because it's a sample. It's like basically mastered already. But between these different slices, we want to like get a little bit more normalcy. So we kind of want this needle to be floating around up here, you see? It's changing the peak reduction depending on how loud. Yeah, you see? That's perfect. So now we got something a little bit more normalized in terms of volume. Now let's get these drums to bump. Bring that snare down a little bit. It's a little harsh. I even just turn up the volume here. This is starting to sound pretty slick. Okay, let's start getting that side chain dressed in. There we go. Ooh, that side chain is sounding really cool. Now let's bring this sample up a bit more. I don't want to get too like in my head about the arrangement either. I want to just like give the rappers like a good like 2.5 minutes of just like clean verse material. I think that'll like really hit. So let's kind of set up here a bit. I'm kind of thinking like we could start them with just like the chops, right? Ooh. Oh, that gave me an idea. Wait. Okay. A total accident, right? But watch this. Yeah. Simple. I think really what I'm looking at here is just this guy. And then we might just start to fade like right over here. And I think that's the beat. This one's definitely going on BeatStars.